Hey guys, have you ever wished for a tool that makes creating interactive demos a breeze? Dreams do come true. Today, we will discuss the Fable lifetime deal in depth, which is a game changer in the world of interactive demos. No matter how good you are at business or how new you are, you will want to take advantage of this deal. Let's work together to figure out how Fable works. What is Fable? Know about Fable? Suppose you had a digital assistant who made creating interactive demos super easy. It's like having a tech-savvy friend who can showcase your product in the best light. Fable makes it effortless to create interactive demos and step-by-step guides for everything from customer support to lead generation. With Fable, you can capture any workflow without the need for screenshots. No more boring screenshots or lengthy documents. Fable is the modern way for busy people like us to showcase our products. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you managed without it. Don't miss out. Exclusive lifetime deal prices on AppSumo await. Regular official pricing is over $480, but on AppSumo, you are getting this at only $49. And this is a one-time single payment. License Tier 1. Tier 1 is a one-time purchase of $49, originally valued at $480. This is suitable for 1 custom domain, 1 creator, call to action buttons, customized demo loader, no limits on Embed. License Tier 2. License Tier 2 is available as a one-time purchase of $119, originally valued at $1,440. Offering 3 custom domains, 3 creators, call to action buttons, customized demo loader, no limits on Embed, multi-flow demos with modules, blur and hide elements, Zapier integration. License Tier 3. Premium Tier 3 offering is available for a one-time purchase of $249, down from its original value of $4,800. It offers 10 custom domains, unlimited creators, call to action buttons, customized demo loader, no limits on Embed, multi-flow demos with modules, blur and hide elements, Zapier integration, HubSpot integration, on-screen HTML customization, custom lead form. 5 most important features that make Fable special. Automated demos, say goodbye to static screenshots. Let customers experience your product interactively. Custom branding, no more generic demos. Customize colors, logos, and styles to match your brand perfectly. Webhooks, stay updated with real-time info on specific actions, triggers, and events. Hotspots and guides, elevate your demos with interactive elements like hotspots and step-by-step guides. Analytics, gain insights on your buyer's journey to boost conversions and close deals faster. People who can benefit from Fable. Customer support teams, marketers, SaaS companies, educators, consultants, sales teams, product managers. Grab a 10% extra deal from AppSumo. Got your eyes on the Fable lifetime deal over at AppSumo? Well, guess what? I've got some spicy news for you. Extra 10% off alert. Yep, you're not dreaming. On top of that sweet $49 deal, there's a way to snag an extra 10% off. Math wizards, that's savings on savings. How to grab this deal? Visit AppSumo's Fable lifetime deal offer. Look for a discount pop-up bar. Type in an active email address. Continuously use the same email address. Check your email for the 10% off promotion. So, why wait? Jump in and let those savings roll. Reviews that Fable lifetime deal on AppSumo get. Are you still waiting? That's so sad. Don't miss out. Secure your lifetime deal now before it's too late. Check out the description, explore the features, and grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. If you found this review helpful and are interested in more tech tutorials and reviews, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.